This is Tankari plant. This is Tankari plant, and it is very good in tasty. Its fruit is very tasty, and fruit is used for cold and cough, and also beneficial for sore, I mean throat sore. Here is plant. You can observe its fruit covered by cell. Here you can observe its fruit. I am opening its inner side seed. Yes, this is seed of Tankari plant. After ripening, it becomes red, and its taste taste its taste is like sweet, and sometime it is used for some metallurgic science, and its leaves are used as vegetable. It clears motion. Vegetables, I mean its leaves are very useful for vegetable, and you can eat its fruit. This is Tankari plant.